Quadricity niya, classmate namin si Rizal. Okay.
Okay, I just wanted to know exactly, so you're attending the CNN Awards.
Yes.
And then tell us what, the purpose of your here, why you're here, and then, and the places that you're going to visit.
Actually po, originally po, it's actually CNN purpose po ang talagang kung bakit po ka nandito to attend yung kanilang tribute show for 2010. And aside from that po, may invitation din po ako from New York to attend naman yung World Forum for Children's Rights. So, yun lang po talaga ang event. And then, so nakita na rin po ng mga dear friends po natin, yan sila Manay Linda, yan sila natin. Parang it's opportunity na rin po to parang mag-ask din po ng help because mahirap po sa amin din para tapusin yung learning center. And so kaya, ginrab na rin po namin yung opportunity to magkaroon ng mga events like this, benefit shows or dinner party or yung mga benefit party.
Parang networking na rin talaga dahil sabi rin namin kami mga nag-uobserba, nakikialam ako ng kaunti, is that naumpisahan ako, hindi ka anda mag-isa, kailangan din ng suporta. That if they're gonna be teaching and getting the whole school going, tapos they have to worry about raising funds pa, madi-divide ang attention, ang focus ng eskwela. So, kung we can spread the word para mas marami ang tumulong, mas maganda. Katulad naming mga walang nagtrabaho artista. Just kidding. Trying to make you laugh. So the whole idea is, it's a networking that's going on. Which is a very good effort on the fans and friends of Efren to make people aware. There will always be a need and any help you can give. Malaki pa itutulong sa mga kabataan. Yun yung mga nagpapadala ko na lulubog na ang Pilipinas, dala-dala lahat. Importante edukasyon talaga ng mga bata. Yan. Kaya naman lola mo.
Kasi a building that is unfinished, parang useless din po yun. So parang gusto po talaga namin matapos yung makomplete ito, maging functional po. So sayang po kasi pag hindi siya talaga natapos. Ayun.
Magkakasawa ka na raw?
Hindi pa po. May ibang mga
Showbiz ang tanong. Showbiz ang tanong. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
I have a question. So your project, is it just focused Cavite City?
Yes,
or
po.
is it towards all the towns of Cavite?
Actually po, yung focus ng group namin, which is Dynamic Teen Companies, ano po talaga, mainly in Cavite City. We want to begin dun sa community namin. And then, but there are actually replications po to other places in other provinces of the Philippines, like in Naga, Bacolod, and Cainta. But those replications are under different organizations.
So the children that will benefit will be actually from Cavite City?
Opo, Cavite City po. So yung pong mga na-encourage namin to go to formal school, sila po yung magiging main beneficiaries po ng Cariton building. So we're going to have mga professional teachers who will become tutors po sa kanila para mas lalo pa pong magkaroon ng interest. At least alam po nila na there are people po na magsusupport dun sa studies nila. Yun.
And was the seed money to start the building?
Opo. Actually po, it's 125,000 grant. The story is this po. 30% po went to tax. And 10% is went to church. 30% went to, we bought lot. We're now building the learning center, and then the other 30% went to a scholarship of the children. So, yun po lahat ng yung 125 grand.
Wow. And the follow-up question is, you're talking about the completion of the building. Now, how do you plan to maintain?
That's actually, iniisip din mo namin ngayon, yung paano yung operations niya, how do we, actually yung sustainability po is one of our major concern right now. Because we're actually planning kung paano po kami makakagather nung those people who will parang sort of become our back-end support para po masustain yung operation. So we're planning po to next year maging operational na po yung Cariton building. So this year po hanggang December, so medyo nag-gather po kami ng mga ideas and mga sponsors and volunteers who will help us sustain the operations ng Pushcart Classroom building. Ayun po. So sana po katulong po namin kayo. Let's push it.
Yeah, any
really a big thing po sa pagdating doon sa sustainability ng Cariton building. And plus, we're still gathering po mga volunteers and also mga materials po that we could use to para po mai-render namin yung services na needs ng mga bata. So like health, we also have feeding kasi. So yung mga ganun type of resources and na kailangan po namin.
Thank you. And,
Question. And, again, kung are they, meron ba forthcoming you think or what?
Actually po, yung pong sistema, I was able to talk to Deputy Secretary Luistro, si Brother, I forgot the first name, Arvin Luistro. Yeah. Sabi po niya, the system of the Pusher Classroom, they wanted it to become nationwide. So, we're going to have a sit-down meeting kung paano siya maayos yung platform niya and yung goals at saka yung mga objectives kung paano siya ma-replicate. And there's also parang help din po from the Department of Concern, I forgot the department, Concern something. So actually nakikipag-meeting naman po kami with the government para po maging part po kami nung people power, people movement ng itong administration na to. And kung meron pa pong ibang support coming from the government, of course, we're very much
Basta walang strings attached.
Exactly.
Another question is, there's a moral issue kinda, no? Halimbawa, the money comes from lotto or wedding, what would you accept?
Fine, not a wedding.
Yes, actually, that's actually po isa sa mga pinag-uusapan namin right now. Kasi
Pero money has no sin attached to it, di ba?
When they give it to you, they will not tell you that it
it came from, yes, actually hindi naman po namin alam kung saan galing.
Ipa-dry clean mo na lang.
Pero if you would know na it came from, it's a bad money, so definitely, no. So, because we want to teach children values.
We'll ask them to keep it a secret. On November 6th, and we're inviting people to sponsor. Kung parang ibibigyan nilang pera, mabigyan ng tickets yung mga bata na hindi makaka-afford magpunta. So, malaking yung result kasi punuin natin ng mga estudyante makarinig ng inspirational talk from somebody who's showing the way. Okay, hindi lahat ng bagay kailangan malaking bagay. Nag-umpisa ko sa Cariton. Magkaroon sila ng appreciation ng kultura natin at ng pagpapahalaga sa mga kababayan at saka sa mga values. Magandang opportunity ho ito, lalo na sa mga Filipino-American kids. Ilan po? Para makasalamuha ang mga kabataan. Let's take advantage of it. Also, you get wonderful entertainment. I have a lot of singer friends who will be performing that night. So please, spread the word. Dapat kayo humaalog-alog kami roon, no? Mahalaga ang pera, papadala nyo, mahalaga rin magkaroon ng mga taong manonood sa palabas, mga taong pwedeng makasalamuha si Efren on that day. So November 6th, yung kung kailangan nyo po ng information, hindi nyo pa natatanggap, lapitin nyo lang si Erlinda at saka si Evelyn, so we can get your email addresses, we can help you get the material, and you can do your own personalized, simple e-blitz para mabalitaan ng inyong mga kaibigan.
I have one more
May
question.
question daw.
Do those people want to, some people cannot afford probably, but they want to donate books at an in-kind. Is there any facilitation on that
From here po.
from here? Some people doesn't want to donate money, but they want to do something, donate their books or any in-kind supplies for the children.
Pwede din po siguro dun sa para sa bata.
Actually, we have a lot of books from the city of Lakewood, and then we're waiting for a cargo company to sponsor the shipment.
Hanap tayo.
Yeah.
Wag ho kayo magdodonate ng Cariton, hindi ho kailangan.
Oo. Building na po, building.
How do we reach para sa bata? What's the
Ayan.
email? What's the
Oh, I'll post it in Facebook.
They're actually on Facebook.
They're in Facebook, para sa bata.
Para sa bata.com?
Yeah. No, just para sa bata. .org. Yeah.
So through para sa bata.
Yeah.
Then they'll send it.